Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Subject understanding, discipline and the subjects. And today we will discuss about the next topic, that is the aim of the school subject, the importance of the school subject or teaching subjects. Why should students learn the subjects that are taught in schools? This question is natural for every learner. As teachers, it is our prime responsibility to know the need and importance of teaching my subjects. Ask at least 5 teachers the following question and analyze their answer. Why are you teaching subject that you are teaching? What do you think are the advantages of that subject? I have listened to many answers because I have to teach that is prescribed in the curriculum. We have to conduct examination and many teachers do not think beyond this. The subjects are the vehicle which are intended to take us to our goal. Our goals are clear, specific and focused. Each teaching subject in the curriculum has been introduced with a definite purpose that would serve the individual to lead a quality life. The purpose of teaching subject is beyond finishing portion prescribed or conducting examination and testing students. We may be able to reach our goal without conducting the regular examination also, and this may be realized in the classroom itself. Experts in the field of education have analyzed the nature of the different subjects and have found that the learning of few subjects would help to reach our goals. With this knowledge, they have prescribed the subjects that are meaningful in the context of the school. The school subject equip the individual with the skill and competency required to lead a quality life. They promote the basic academic skill required for day-to-day living like communication, problem solving, analytical thinking, etc. They give an awareness about the neighborhood in which the individual lives. They prepare students for the process of socialization. Learning of these subjects promote the value required to be developed by an individual in the social context like cooperation, brotherhood, tolerance, etc. The knowledge under different subjects make the individual appreciate people and nature around him. The social behavior of the children is directed through the theme that are dealt under these different subjects. The teaching subjects prepare children to develop nationalism, internationalism and other patriotic feelings. School subjects have connection with the social structure, social relation, and they have contributed in the process of cultural transmission too. Now it is being recognized and that school subjects are important source for studying about the society and the problems in it. Studying school subjects are necessary to investigate the link between school subject knowledge and the classroom pedagogy. The school subjects are considered for the primary purpose of maintaining and enhancing economic and social productivity by equipping future citizens with the requisite knowledge, skill and capital. School subjects are created to provide students with meaningful learning experience that might lead to liberation and cause social activity. School subjects are allowed for construction of knowledge and future and further provide students with rewarding experiences that contribute to their intellectual growth. The school curriculum encourages a learner-oriented approach to construct knowledge under school subject that allows students to learn according to their need and interest in their chosen field of the study. The school subject equip the student with general skill and learning abilities essential for facing the challenges of globalization and knowledge-based economy. Studying school subjects stands to offer a wide horizon for students to create and explore, create new corridor leading to enlightenment. Studying school subject help us to analyze how school subjects are influenced by the society, culture and value of a nation. This is all about the importance of the school subject in general. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University Jaipur. Hope you understand the topic, and if you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Thank you very much.